Welcome to the RES IT Store tutorial on importing organizational context from a CSV file, number 6037A. This tutorial explains how to configure a data connection to import organizational context from a CSV file. A data connection can retrieve organizational information from an external data source and map it to items in your RES IT Store environment. This allows you to update the organizational structure of your RES IT Store environment with this data. In this tutorial, we are going to configure a data connection that can import organizational context from a CSV file. This tutorial assumes that an existing data source has already been configured. Log on to your Windows virtual machine with username resdemo/administrator and the RES password. Open the console, click Data Model Data Connections. This opens the Data Connections window. Click Add. This opens the Select Connection Destination window. Select Organization and click OK. This opens the Data Connection window. You can use this window to configure the data connection. On the Properties tab, specify Departments in the name field. In the Data Source field, select an existing data source, for example, Employees and Departments. The Preview Data area shows a preview of the external data. Click the Mappings tab. In the Lookup On field, select Name. In the Place In field, select Organization Departments. In the Next field, map the property name to the Data Source field department. Leave the other settings as they are and click Synchronize. The RES IT Store will automatically jump to the Diagnostics tab and show a log with detailed information about which organizational context items have been added. Click OK. Repeat the previous steps to configure the data connection job titles that imports items from the data source Employees and Departments in the organizational context item Organization Roles. After that, configure the data connection country region name that imports items from the data source Employees in the organizational context item Organization Locations. Click Close to close the Data Connections window. Click the Organization section and review the results.